Methods are functions that are associated with a specific class. For example, the tracker class contains three methods: the constructor, add, and multiply. The first parameter of every method is automatically populated with the method call object. For example, when we make the following method call, Python assigns t to self. Thus, although the add method has two parameters, we pass only one argument to the method. Here's an example code sequence. Let's try running the example code in the simulator. First, Python reads the tracker class definition. Next, we ask Python to construct a tracker object with 0 and assign it to Cal. At this point, the value attribute is 0. Next, Python calls the add method with 2. In the add method, Python adds number to the value attribute. Thus, the value attribute becomes 2. Next, we ask Python to call the multiply method with 5. In the multiply method, Python multiplies the value attribute by number. Since number is 5, value now becomes 10. Finally, we assign the value attribute to x. As we can see, variable cal points to location 0 in the object store, and the object at location 0 has the attribute value, whose value is 10. Finally, variable x also has a value of 10.